You just spent $1,000 on a new iPhone. Please do not leave it naked. One drop and that gorgeous glass back is shattered, but a bulky, ugly case ruins the feel of the phone. The best cases offer serious protection without turning your iPhone into a brick. I have tested the best iPhone cases of 2026 to find out which ones offer the best drop protection, MagSafe compatibility, and overall feel. Let's get into it. The TORRAS Ostand Q3 Air is the best all-around case for iPhone users who want military-grade drop protection and a built-in stand. This case features TORRAS's first-ever Air Max airbag technology, which uses a 100% aerodynamic cushioning structure to absorb shocks. It exceeds military-grade drop test standards. The built-in 360-degree rotating stand is precision-engineered, clicking securely into any angle. You can watch videos hands-free in portrait or landscape. The magnets are seriously strong, using Halbeck array technology and N52 SH neodymium magnets for up to 200% stronger magnetic force than standard cases. MagSafe accessories lock on and do not wobble. The camera control button is responsive and covered for full protection. For someone who wants drop protection, a stand, and strong magnets all in one case, the Ostand Q3 Air is the best. Check the link in the description below. The TORRAS Magnetic Slim Fit is the best ultra-thin case for iPhone users who want to keep their phone as slim as possible but still need MagSafe. This case is only 0.03 inches thick and weighs almost nothing. You will barely know it is there. But do not let the thinness fool you. It has 38 high-density N52 magnets, delivering over twice the magnetic force of standard cases. MagSafe chargers snap on firmly and do not fall off. It has a 1.2mm raised screen lip and 1.5mm camera guard for basic drop protection. The matte finish resists fingerprints and smudges. The deep blue color looks great. This case will not save your phone from a serious drop, but for everyday scratches and bumps, it is perfect. For a minimalist who hates bulky cases but still wants MagSafe, this is the best choice. Grab yours through the link in the description below. The CANSHN Magnetic case is the best budget magnetic case for iPhone users who want full camera protection and decent drop protection without spending much. This case has a 2.5mm raised border around the camera lens, which is higher than many competitors. It actually protects the lens from direct impact. The translucent matte back looks good and resists fingerprints. The TPU frame has shock-absorbing airbags in each corner for extra drop protection. The magnets are strong enough for MagSafe chargers and car mounts. It is not as slim or as premium as the TORRAS options, but for under $20, it is a great value. For a student or anyone on a budget who wants solid protection and MagSafe, the CANSHN case is a fantastic option. I have linked the CANSHN Magnetic down in the description. The Miracase Magnetic case is the best full-body protection case for iPhone users who want a built-in screen protector and military-grade drop protection. This case has a built-in 9H tempered glass screen protector that is bubble-free and does not lift up. It has been drop-tested to military-grade standards with a dual-layer design that provides 360-degree protection. The camera control is unique. Instead of a simple cutout, Miracase uses a design that preserves the original touch experience while providing full coverage. The back is crystal clear and claims to never yellow. The magnets are strong and work with all MagSafe accessories. The downside is that the built-in screen protector can affect touch sensitivity for some users. For a clumsy person or a parent buying for a kid, the Miracase offers serious protection. Check the link in the description below. The CASETiFY Impact case is the best stylish protective case for iPhone users who want customization and serious drop protection. CASETiFY is famous for its thousands of designs, from solid colors to artist collaborations to custom text and images. You can make the case truly yours, but it is not just looks. The Impact case has EcoShock protection technology and is military-grade drop tested to 4 times the standard. It can survive drops from over 8 feet. The raised bezel protects the screen, and the buttons are clicky and responsive. It is fully compatible with wireless charging. The only downside is the price and the fact that the most popular designs are often back-ordered. For a fashion-conscious iPhone user who wants protection that looks as good as it performs, CASETiFY is the best. I have linked the CASETiFY Impact down in the description for you. That is the lineup of the best iPhone cases for 2026. Whether you want the ultra-thin TORRAS Magnetic Slim Fit, the built-in stand of the Ostand Q3 Air, or the stylish protection of CASETiFY, there is a case here that will keep your iPhone safe without ruining its look and feel. All the links are waiting for you down below in the description. Go check them out and protect your investment. I will catch you in the next one.